Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to remove widget on your Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is select the widget you want to remove to your home screen. Okay, I select the clock widget, and okay guys, to remove this clock widget, okay, you'll have to do is press and hold the clock widget or the widget you want to remove, and after that, okay, slide up to remove the widget. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully removed the widget in your Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.